Today we're going to be checking out a couple of carnivorous plants here in the New Jersey Pine Barrens. It's going to be raining all day long. There's a chance of severe weather this evening. I'm going to make a seafood pasta salad this evening. Oh, there's a beaver. He's not too happy about me being here. Yeah, that's scared. Carnivorous plants. And I'll tell you why they had to develop the ability to digest insects. Sundew. I think there's 4 of them there. Right alongside the pitcher plant. So beautiful. So these carnivorous plants in the Pine Barrens, the pitcher plant and the sundew, were compelled to develop the ability to trap and digest insects because of the poor soil, the nutrient poor soil here in the Pine Barrens. Last year, New Jersey got a total of 44 inches of rain all year. The pineland soils are so sandy that they can receive, and not flood, they can receive up to 55 inches of rain per hour, which leaches much of the nutrients out of the surface of the soil, which is why these plants had to develop the ability to gain their phosphorus and nitrogen elsewhere. Well, it looks like it's going to rain terrible, so I think I have heard some thunder. Yeah, I think I better get going. just opened up before my eyes. So cool. Barbless. Scared the hell out of me too. So cool. Oh my gosh, I came back here looking for the lichen as it rained out last night. Lichen is another fascinating organism. It's a mycelium, it's a mushroom that at some point in history captured blue-green algae, or well, it's got a hollow stipe. Huh. I think this one's old. Blue-green algae that, yeah, that's hollow too. Full of insects, no doubt. Yeah, full of grubs. So it is a mycelium or mushroom that captured and basically farms blue-green algae or cyanobacteria to produce complex carbohydrates, and in return the mycelium is capable of protecting it, giving it the ability to withstand radiation, predators. Beautiful. So you see it's all fluffed up because it rained last night. Oh, what's that? Oh. What the heck? Wow. What the flip is that? So when it rains, so the term is poikilohydric. Poikilohydric. What it means is that the lichen doesn't have the ability to regulate its own moisture content. So when it rains, it swells up exponentially, and then as the day wears on, today it's going to be dry, these things will turn back into basically like a crust. They'll lose all that three-dimensionality. Yeah. So cool. But that is just, what is that? Holy shit. Damn. Get a picture of that, put it up for the hive mind.